Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a first impression on the Conspiracy palette by Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson. I am so excited for this collection. I've watched Shane since I was a kid, and this makeup collection is gorgeous. I have the liquid lipsticks, I have the gloss, I got the palette, I have mini controversy. There's going to be a lot of videos, so I will link my Shane Dawson and Jeffree collection playlists down below so you can see them all. But this video is specifically going to be about the Conspiracy palette. So if you want to see how I got this look and what I think about the Conspiracy palette, just keep watching. Hey everyone, today I'm going to be doing a first impression with the Conspiracy palette by Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson. This palette is amazing. You get 6, 12, 13, 14, 15. You get 18 shades, which is absolutely stunning. It's in the same sort of component as the Blue Blood palettes. It has clasps and it actually locks. This is absolutely stunning. I was so excited, and some people are very mixed on how they feel about the colors in the palette. I personally love this color scheme. If you're wondering what's on my lips, I am wearing the gloss Shane Glossin, which is so dope of a name, and this is amazing. The imprints on the palette are just stunning. I did this look with this palette and I really like how it turned out. Actually, I tried to do a look beforehand and it didn't really work out, so I'll just show you guys this one. I'm so excited to use this. I literally squealed when it came in the mail. This took 2 business days to ship, so not bad. It's currently Thursday. I'm so excited to try this. I don't even know what look I'm gonna do. These shades are absolutely stunning. Jeffree and Shane did an amazing job. I've been watching Shane since 8th grade, so we're talking like 7, 8, 9 years, and I'm so proud of him, and I'm so proud of his friendship with Jeffree and that they were able to come up with such a beautiful product and products. It comes with a mirror, which is really great, and you guys know I don't like bulky packaging, but I mean, this is a statement piece. Like, this is like such a good quality box. The clasps are good. This is like worth the price. I still don't like that it's bulky. I would have preferred if it was like the mini controversy and like thin, but then again, this is beautiful, and the inside makes it worth the bulk for me. Well, that look didn't work out. We're gonna go into Ranch to start. I'm gonna take the shade Ranch and I'm gonna put that on my inner corner. I'm going to attempt to do a halo eye shade Pigment. I'm going to put that on the inner and outer corner. It blends easily.
Flaming hot.
That's about all the blending I think I can do. The shadows are good. It's just my brain, I guess, isn't working great. So I want to go into Sleep Paralysis. And then I think I'm going to put Diet Cola right in the center of it to brighten it. Sleep Paralysis looks so pretty, so I am excited for that.
Oh my god, that looks fucking beautiful. Wow, okay, I'm just gonna take out my fingers.
Yes, beach. That is so fucking pretty. I suck at halo eyes though, so wish me luck. I have eyeshadow all over my hands. I don't know how that happened. And I'm going to go into Not a Fact too, since together they are perfect. So this is the finished look. All I did to the lower lash line is I took the shade Trisha and I put that on from the inner corner of the under eye all the way out, and then I blended Flaming Hot into that as well. I then added liner and mascara. I used the pink ColourPop mascara on my lower lash line. I like this palette. The eyeshadows worked beautifully. My only issue is that I couldn't come up with a look, so I don't know. Like, when I look at this, I think it's beautiful, but I don't see what look to do. So all in all, I do like how this look turned out. Honestly, the shade Trisha is absolutely gorgeous. That might be one of my favorite shades, actually. To finish off the look, I am going to apply Shane Glossin, the gloss. Overall, first impressions wise, I really like this. The bulkiness doesn't bother me that much. I'm probably gonna just place it where my Blue Blood palette is and move Blue Blood, but this is absolutely stunning. I love it so much.
I'm so happy for Shane, and they broke the internet. Like, that's crazy.
So far, Trisha is actually my favorite shade, which I don't know, kind of found funny because I don't know. I like pink like on my lips, but I don't know. I really like it on my lower lash line. Like a lot, actually. So I think I'm going to be getting lots of use out of the shade Trisha. Also, Trisha makes me laugh. Like, she's such a clickbaity person, but she makes me laugh. But she has issues. But I do too. So yeah, overall, I really like this. Unfortunately, you know, basically the whole collection is sold out. So, and there won't be a restock until 2020, which sucks for all the ones who couldn't get it. I know one of my best friends, she couldn't get it and she was trying to check out for hours. So I feel so bad for her. And I know a lot of people really wanted it and didn't get it. So I feel very blessed that I was able to get what I wanted from the collection. And honestly, I am psyched to do so many looks with this palette in the coming future. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to subscribe, comment down below any videos you'd like to see me do. I will be doing a full review and swatches with the palettes, so don't worry. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. I'm gonna go in with Ranch, and I'm just gonna put that on my inner corner.
She's pigmented.
Oh my god, I love that. Yes, Ranch, man, yes. I'm gonna go in with Tanacon just to put that in my crease. I think the shade names are so bomb.
ABH primer. I have tons of like samples from Sephora.
Like, I'm trying to figure out what type of look I want to do, but I just like looking at this. The colors are beautiful, but it's just not giving me a look right now. So I'm gonna take the shade Conspiracy and I'm gonna put that on the inner half of my lid and see how that goes. Use my finger because I don't know, it's a beautiful green.
Whoa, that is gorgeous. Okay.
I see you, Conspiracy. Oh my god, that is so freaking pretty. Okay, yeah, that is a mood. We're going with it. Diet root beer, and I'm gonna blend that from the outer corner and inwards. I think to do a little twist in this look, I'm gonna go into the shade Trisha. Wow, that is gorgeous. I don't even know what I'm doing, honestly. I guess. No, I'm done.